Hey guys, so I have something completely new for you for the foot games, and it's going to be a cooking edition. Yes, it's going to be a breakfast cooking edition. Yeah, I'm going to be cooking me some turkey bacon and some eggs. I don't know if I'm going to eat it, but I'm going to do some entertaining for you guys, okay? But the twist is, as it is in the name, it is going to be done with my feet, okay? Yeah. So I have put it at 200 degrees. I have never done this before. I am actually a little nervous because it's a little hot. Woo! But we will see how this goes, okay? Wish me luck, guys. All right. So we're going to do this now. We're going to do this tight. We're going to do this fast, I think. Let's do this. Breakfast with Leona's feet, okay? All right. So it's kind of hot and a little slippery. Probably won't be eating this, but you know what? It's okay. Ooh, you hear that sizzling? Oh, yeah. Step one done. Put that right there. It's not too hot. Woo! Now, this is the tricky part. Try to practice a little bit before I saw you guys. You know, it wasn't wet before. It wasn't wet before. It wasn't wet before. What the hell? It must be because, you know, I didn't have to do this with 4 of my feet. Oh! I did it. There you go. Cracked egg right there. And is there eggshells? Hell no. All right, now this one, it wasn't this cold before, so I guess when it defrosted, it just started to crack a little bit. Oh, come on, egg, go in there. It's just, oh, it's going a little messy. See, this is why I want to just do one egg. Ooh, whoa. Almost put the whole eggshell there. Come on. I'm just going to have to crack it a little bit more. There you go. Voila. Delicioso, okay? Delicioso, yes. Now, I'm going to use this. Attempting to flip this. Woo! It looked a lot easier before. Know what I'm saying? Yep. There you go. Flipping this like a pro-ish. Oh, yeah. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. You know what? This shit, it's not that hot. I can't be that hot. Whoop. There you go. Woo! Almost there. Okay, this is definitely a workout. Now, I'm not going to even try my left foot, okay? That is not my dominant foot, okay? Put this over here. I was literally practicing for you guys. I don't think I am at a good advantage because it's kind of low, which I kind of figured. Ooh, I'm not going to try to flip that towards y'all. Try to flip it. But I don't got no space. Oh, yeah. I'm getting there. Yep, did that on purpose. Okay. That egg is almost fully cooked. Hold on, I got this egg yolk on my foot. And it's just, it's not working out. Hold on a darn minute. Maybe I might try it with my left foot. It's more dry. It's more dry. Hold the phone. And I flipped it. There you go. There you go. Flipped it. Flipped it. Yep. Flipped it. Okay. Oh, I've touched that. Woo. gonna wait now. Wait now for it to kind of cook. Maybe scrape this off a little bit. Yep. Get that off a little bit right there. Uh-huh. It's harder than I thought. Whoa. You know, when I was practicing, I was more at a higher level. Here is just more lower, so it's a little bit more just not how I thought it would be. So it's going to be some scrambled eggs. Okay. Look at that deliciousness. It's kind of close to scrambled. Okay. See if this one's done. I think this one's pretty much done. Uh-huh. It still look pretty good though. Still look, whoop. You could take that off. Not good. You don't want none of that. Okay. All right. See, it don't really hurt that much if I'm right on top. Okay. Gotta put that. It's a little hot. There you go. What if I touch this? Woo! It's not so bad. Oh yeah. Okay. Looks pretty cooked to me. Well, it's 1 second. Keep looking at the food. It looks delicious, doesn't it? I know it does. I made it. So, now I'll just put it on the plate for you guys. Okay? Alright. I'll put it on a plate. Just gotta keep steady. Uh-huh. Yep. You know, I've been working out my legs for this moment. Not really, but you know what? Oh yeah. Now these eggs. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit more trickster right here. Gonna just put it like that. Okay. See if I practice this a little more. Okay. My rip off. There you go. Voila. Come on, egg. Survive for me. Well, that wasn't going to go in your tummy anyway. And there you go. Good enough. Voila. Eggs and turkey bacon. Just for you. All for your entertainment. Yeah, I'm not eating this. But, hope you guys liked it. I hope it was entertaining enough to watch. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to see a part 2, then you let me know. And I might suffer one more time just for you guys. Okay? Alright. It's your girl, Leona Red. I love you guys. See you next on my next video.